Look, I still think a tone of caution is warranted here. It's kind of arrogant, as I see it, for all these bulls to come out and say, "Oh, all the negatives are known. All the negatives are known." It's like if you're bearish or if you're cautious, you don't have the capacity to think of what the positives are. You know, Eugene Fama, who has the efficient market hypothesis, which I'm not sure I agree with, says everything's known all the time in the market. So then the question is, and this I agree with, what are the issues going forward? And those are the issues that are keeping me from putting more money into the market. And particularly China, if you read over the weekend, they're still dead set on going after Taiwan. I don't know if it'll be next week, next month, or in 2 months. But that's not Russia. That is a huge global economy that impacts the U.S. I don't believe you're getting paid for that black swan event by investing in the market.
Well, so what are you going to do? You're going to sit on your hands? You're going to sit on the sidelines until you get more clarity on that issue? What if it doesn't come?
Well, if it doesn't come, then first of all, it's going to be an overhang. I'm not sure it doesn't come. But if you want to ring a bell, like Krinsky wants a bell to be rung, essentially, and say, OK, we've had the big flush, now all is safe, the market doesn't ring bells. I'd love for it to. But if stocks continue to get cheap, like Volkswagen, add to it at 4 to 5 times earnings. I don't care what happens. That is a great buy. FedEx, 10 times, that's a great buy. So there are places to put money to work. But the way I look at it, that's not the only negative. The other negative is stocks go up in a rising rate environment. We've seen that.
Yeah.
History shows that can happen. But they don't go up where earnings are coming down. And in my belief, with what we're seeing with inflation and the input costs, that earnings are going to be coming down because margins are going to be getting hit. So that's why I'm cautious.
Okay, you know what? Let's do this then.
That's where the puck's going.
Let's do this.